Hi guys, I got you over here in Adobe Premiere Pro. I wanted to walk you through the steps that I take to key out a green screen and put a picture behind me or a video behind me. So I chose this picture of space over here. So we're going to drag it in under our video, and since it's a picture we can draw it out to the end of the video like that. Now we want to select the top video, that's the green where I'm sitting. And then we're going to go over to Effect Controls. Actually, Effects, that's down here. On my other computer, it's different. Where's Effects? Effects. Here's Effects. Okay, and we're going to type in Ultra Key. U-L-T. Let's pull it down. There's Ultra Key. So click it and drag it on top of the video. Well, that went on the wrong video. This is the video I want. Alright. Now, we're going to go to Effect Controls. Over here. And here's our Ultra Key. Click the little eyedropper. And click the green. Then we're going to change Default to Aggressive. And that's done. Now I'll show you how to chop a part off, like where I go and sit down. I don't want that part. So we'll walk it up to that point, and I'll just mute the video for now. Well, I'll just play it. Alright, right there. Now, what you'll do is select the little razor blade and put it right in this where you want to cut it, and click. Go back to your arrow and select. It's already selected, so let's hit delete, and now click it and drag it to the beginning of the frame and drag back your player button, and there you have it. That's how you do it in Adobe Premiere Pro. There'll be other videos coming out when I come across other techniques that someone may not know about, and as I learn them, then I'll record it for you guys. Alright, that's it for this video. Click like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.